uh, note where instructions were given for the exams. All of you have read those instructions very carefully, twice, thrice, understood each and every point. You have understood that when you will get the question paper, how much time you will get to write the paper, what you have to write on the answer sheet, the name, class, section, roll number, and page number is very important. On every page you have to write these details. Every page means, for example, in science exam you are using 5 pages, then on all 5 pages you have to write name, class, section, roll number, subject, date, and page number. If any of the detail will be missing, for example, out of 5 pages in science, on 4 pages you have written and in one page you have not written, then that page will not be checked. It will be not be evaluated without page number, without name, because I don't know that who has sent that. Okay, so on every page you have to write page number. Yes, that's what I'm saying. For example, in science paper you are using 5 pages. Okay, science paper you are using 5 pages. On every page you will write your name, class, section, roll number, subject, and in the corner page number. Page number 1, page number 2, page number 3, page number 4, page number 5. These details are to be written on every page top corner. Okay, clear to everybody? A4 size, yes, A4 size register you have to buy and keep it with you. In A4 size register, you will do all the exams. Only GK Moral will be on Google Meet, Google Form. Sorry. Okay. Multiple choice question, only GK Moral. And all the instructions are clear to everybody that you will get question paper 2 minutes before the exam will start. Whatever correction will be there, the teacher will tell you the correction. Nobody is going to ask anything. Neither you nor your parents are going to ask anything. Then you don't have to copy any question in the answer sheet. You only have to write all the answers one below the other. Put the question number correct. Put the question number correct. Okay. And then 1 hour you will get. After 1 hour, only 10 minutes to make the PDF, click photographs and send. You all know how to make PDF. There is one app, Adobe Scan. Download that app. Those who don't know, for them I am telling, download that app, Adobe Scan. Okay, and then after you finish your paper, you on that app, click the photographs. Okay, and then one option comes, crop it. So you crop and make it the size of your answer sheet only. No need to this click extra things here and there. Okay, your bed sheet, your table, all these things should not come, only your pages. And make sure they are not cropped too much. Your work should be very neat and clean. Your handwriting should be neat and clean. If I will not be able to understand what you have written, I will not give you marks. All right, so then you click the photographs. On PDF also you have to write your name, class, and subject. Okay, PDF file you have to write your name, class, subject, and you will send it in my number, not in the group, to me personally. Okay, so read those instructions again and again and again, twice, thrice, 4 times. And if any doubt is there, kindly ask, because during exam I will not be able to help you in any way. Whatever queries you have, you ask right now. Before the exam you ask, not during the exam. Yes. Link? No beta, from Play Store you have to download the app. Adobe Scan. Adobe, I think this is the spelling. I don't remember exactly. Adobe Scan. Okay, I think it's blue color or bluish something icon is there. Yes. PDF reader is something else. Adobe Scan is something else. Ad- PDF reader you can read, but Adobe Scan you can make PDF. Okay? So download Adobe Scan. Yes. Okay. And it is very easy. Vanch, are you getting it? Are you in the group, Vanch? Right now in the meeting? Vanch? Where are you, Vanch? Yes, Vanch. Did you attend your Sanskrit and that class, art class? Then why you ask so silly question, beta? And I already gave you that timetable, yes or no? In that timetable, first period was art, second period was Sanskrit, and you were calling me since morning and saying, "Ma'am, I have not got the link." How you will get the link when there is not my class? You have not done art class. Okay, today art sir has not taken live class. He has given you work. And those who are not added still in other groups, please add yourself. Please add yourself. I'm not going to take you from your home and go and let you add there. Please, you all are big enough to understand technology. You all are big enough to understand technology. Please add yourself in all the groups of other subjects also, like Hindi, Sanskrit, art, computer. Okay, I should not hear this, ma'am. I am not added in this group. No, I should not hear this. I don't want to hear this. Since April, the classes are going on, and since July, the thorough classes are going on, and you are saying, ma'am, I'm not added in the group. What nonsense is this? Till now, after so many months, you are not added in the group. Then what you were doing till now? So please, those who are not added and those whose work is incomplete, still incomplete, kindly complete it. Otherwise, don't cry in the exam and don't say, ma'am, this is out of syllabus. Nothing will come out of syllabus. If you have not done anything, that doesn't mean that ma'am has not taught anything. Everything will be from the syllabus only. Make sure your work is complete. So those who are good in class, take work from those good students. Okay? Yes, Sakshi, what you are saying? Nobody has given you the, nobody has added you in the group. Who is the admin of art class? Who is the admin of art class? Srishti is admin. Who is admin of art class? Who all are added? Who know that child Shivam? Anybody knows from this class? Archana Shukla. Take link from Archana Shukla and send in your group so that the children of your class also add there. Ask Archana Shukla to send the link to you. You send that link in the group so that the children who are not added in art group, they also get added. Okay, Shrishti? Siddhi? Okay. Let's revise word meanings of this lesson. Mohini chapter you all know. She was very poor. Her parents were also poor, and she used to work in the construction building. And one day the building, and she was not able to go to school because her parents couldn't afford. Then one day a building collapsed, and she thought that the brother got inside it and died. But fortunately, her brother was alive. So let's revise. You all remember this chapter story? We are going to revise the word meanings. Open page number 23. First word, viciously. Viciously. What is the meaning of this word? Viciously. Yes, Ritisha. In a hateful or angry manner. Yes, in a hateful or angry manner. Number two, sifting. Sifting. Pouring a dry substance through a sieve to remove large pieces. Start. Next is start. Taken aback. Retreated. Retreated. All of you read from the book. Only few are answering. Everybody is not answering. All of you have books in front of you. Open it. When I say a word, you all have to say the meaning after that together. Perch, a high place. Okay. Slat, sequel, a long, very thin squeal. Okay. Desperately, shard, stamped, Manvi, you're not saying. Profusely, profusely, shushed, relent, stand still, say it together. Arham Abid, your mic is off. And then Divya Dhamija, your mic is off. Atharv Singh, your mic is off. How you all are saying it without uh, putting on your mic, children? Cranky, bad tempered. Cranky, bad tempered. Yes. Then mystified. Mystified. Okay, okay. Then rumbling. Then rubble, rubble. Together, say it together. Spied. Okay. Frantically. Waddled, waddled. Okay, now we are going to revise true and false. Mohani's parents were construction workers. Keshav needed a pair of slippers. False. Mohani had to give up school because of Keshav. True. Mohani's father finally got a pair of socks. Mohani was happy to see Keshav safe. Okay. Reference to context. Let there be enough money to get me a pair of slipper. Who wanted a pair of slipper? Mohini wanted, yes. Then why did the speaker not have a pair of slipper? Because her family was very poor. Yes. Okay. Then where did the speaker live? Okay. Because of him, I had to stop school, and that was easier work than this. Who is him in the line? Who is him? Who had to stop the school? Mohini. What work does the speaker do now? Okay. Then next, Shalvi, your camera is off, and Shalvi, your mic is also mute. Are you there, Shalvi? I'm talking to you, Shalvi. Mic also off, camera also off. How will I come to know that whether you are doing the class or you are just online and doing something else in your home, watching TV? Shalvi is not responding. I will remove her from the group. Next question. Keshav, where are you? Who is Keshav? Why was the speaker looking for him? To save her brother. Okay. What thought came to the speaker's mind when there was no reply? Okay. All right. Now, similarly, now I'm going to give you one PDF in which the revision of this pair of slippers is there, plus the revision of Abu Ben Nadim is also there. From Abu Ben Nadim, you have to write the reference to context and rhyming words and the poet name. Summary you don't have to learn, poem you don't have to learn. Okay, clear? Summary will not come in exam, poem will not come in the exam. The reference to context will come, the rhyming words will come. Okay, so these two things. Who is this? I'm still speaking and you're saying thank you, ma'am, bye bye, ma'am. Who is this? I'm going to give you the PDF right now. You have to do the whole revision in your revision register. Clear?